Today we're out here west of Christchurch on a Ngāi Tahu farm where we've got the IHC community out here experiencing what it's like to be on a farm. You know, they're feeding calves. We've had some Ngāi and they've done their kapahaka sing-along, which was really good. It's a treat to be out here with them on a beautiful day.
We've been with IHC for 42 years. This is our 43rd year and we're on farm today. We're seeing some calves along with our IHC family. It started 42 years ago with some column beans, and it's grown from there to be right across the country, and over that time we've raised $42 million alongside our customers, and it's been intergenerational sponsorship. It's preceded my time in PGW and our family farms and farms that participate in the program.
Kia ora, my name's Ben Jornay. I'm the Ngāi Tahu Farming Dairy Operations Manager, and we've just spent the day with a whole lot of people from IHC that came out to our whenua. IHC is a cause that's close to my heart, and it speaks to Ngāi Tahu Farming's values, which is manakitanga. We got to show them how to feed some calves, and we went for a walk amongst the cows, and my highlight was the kapahaka that they performed for us and the waiata that they sung. So it was a really good day, awesome to interact with them, and look, it's great to rear calves for the PGG Rights and Calf and Rural Scheme every year, and it's been an awesome day, and hopefully they took away some cool experiences.
What a fantastic day it's been. It's great to have people come onto the farm and just really enjoy themselves. So we're grateful to Ngāi Tahu who have invited us on and hosted us a great event. Also PGG Rights, and it's always nice to meet up and just say thank you for your huge support over many years. It's been so important to us and to the IHC Calf and Rural Scheme. One thing I love about a day like today with the kapahaka performances is we get to see exactly the impact of our donors, our donations, and what it makes happen. And really, people with intellectual disability doing those kapahaka performances were amazing. They loved the day. Thank you very much.